Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're with the excuse me, Kitty? Kitty, you're ruining our set. Oh dear. Okay, like I said, Tiny fans, we're with the HAAHOOS from In the Night Garden. And it seems that Kitty is in a very playful mood this morning. Hi, HAAHOOS. All right, let's sit them back up and fix our set. There are 5 HAAHOOS, and here's the blue polka dot HAAHOO. Kitty is back. Hello, Kitty. Well, Tiny fans, it looks like we will have to do our video with Kitty lying on our set today. That's okay. We have enough room for our surprise toy opening. Here it comes. It's going very slow. What is the name of this creature? It is a snail, and it's a colored wooden rainbow. You know how I love wooden toys. We will begin with the number 1, which is the head of the snail, and it's the color yellow. Followed by the number 2. There it is, a light orange piece. That is the neck of the snail. Number 3, which is the orange piece with a flat bottom. And now we're starting to create the shell. Where's number 4? Here it is at the top. It's the red piece. This piece curves around the back. Number 5 is the pink piece. Do you see number 6, Tiny fans? 9 and 6 are very similar, but I know 9 is this one because of the little line on the bottom. And this blue piece is 6. Now, I can't put it together like this, so I need to turn the piece around. Number 7, it was hiding. It's the light blue piece, the same color as one of our HAAHOOS. Now this is where it starts to get tricky. There's 2 notches. So we need our number 8, which is a dark navy blue. Will it fit like this? Oh, uh-oh. No, it's stuck. It's stuck. Oh, okay. Let's turn it around. There we go. And we know which piece has the number 9 on it. We're almost finished. We're in the center of the shell. Finally, the green piece, number 10. Now, did you see what Minnie Boo was hiding with the HAAHOOS while we were building the puzzle? Hey, we have a missing HAAHOO. Which one is it? HAAHOO! And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.